10 best tech gadgets needed for upcoming iPhone 17. Is the iPhone 17 going to be the most advanced iPhone ever released? The rumors say yes, and if you're already dreaming about having one in your hands or something you should know, no iPhone is truly complete without the right tech gadgets by its side. So today we're diving into the 10 best tech gadgets you'll need for the upcoming iPhone 17. Number 10. USB-C to USB-C and Lightning cables. What if Apple finally makes the full switch to USB-C? There's a strong buzz that the iPhone 17 might fully adopt USB-C ports across all models. That means your old Lightning cables may suddenly become outdated. Being prepared means grabbing high-quality, fast-charging USB-C cables that not only charge quickly but also support data transfer for large video files or backups. You don't want to be caught unprepared the day your new iPhone arrives. Make sure you choose durable cables with reinforced joints that can withstand daily use. Many top brands like Anker, Belkin, and Ugreen are already offering certified cables with power delivery support, making them future-proof choices for iPhone 17 users. Number 9. Smart glass screen protectors. How protected is a phone if it slips from your hand? Even though the iPhone 17 is expected to have stronger scratch-resistant materials, that doesn't make it indestructible. A high-quality tempered glass screen protector can act as the first line of defense against cracks and scuffs that could ruin your screen forever. The smart ones even come with privacy filters or anti-glare technology. So whether you're scrolling in bright sunlight or trying to keep nosy people from reading your messages, these protectors offer more than just toughness. It's a small investment for keeping a $1,000 device looking brand new. Number 8. Power banks with MagSafe. What if your battery dies in the middle of filming or navigation? This is where MagSafe compatible power banks step in. These are portable chargers that snap magnetically to the back of your iPhone 17, allowing you to keep using your phone while it powers up wirelessly. Think of it like giving your phone a second heartbeat during a long day. With options ranging from compact 5,000 mAh to powerful 10,000 mAh capacities, you can choose what suits your lifestyle. Brands like Basis, Mophie, and Anker are already creating sleek, travel-friendly models perfect for this new iPhone. Number 7. High-speed wireless chargers. Is plugging in your phone becoming a thing of the past? With the iPhone 17 expected to support Qi2 fast wireless charging, speeds may reach up to 25 watts. That means you could get nearly a full charge in just under an hour, with no cords required. Imagine just dropping your phone on a pad and walking away. New wireless charging stands and pads will not only charge faster but also keep your phone cool while doing it. Some models even double as phone holders for your desk or nightstand, making them ultra convenient. Number 6. MagSafe mounts for cars and desks. How often do you use your phone for navigation or hands-free calls? The new iPhone 17 will feature stronger MagSafe alignment, which means that compatible mounts will grip tighter and hold more securely than ever before. Whether you're in your car or at your home office, a good MagSafe mount makes all the difference. Gone are the days of clunky clips and slipping phones. Modern MagSafe mounts allow smooth snapping, swiveling, and adjusting with one hand. This ensures your iPhone 17 stays in place while you drive, video chat, or stream your favorite series. Number 5. Smart battery case. What if your phone could wear a jacket that powers it up? Enter the Smart Battery Case, a specially designed case that doubles your iPhone 17's battery life while protecting it from everyday bumps and scratches. Especially if you're eyeing the rumored iPhone 17 Air model, which may trade battery size for ultra-slim design, this case is a lifesaver. No extra cables, no bulky power banks, just snap it on and go. Apple and third-party makers are working on battery cases that not only look stylish but intelligently manage charging to maximize battery lifespan. Perfect for travel days or content creators who need extended performance. Imagine getting through a long flight or road trip without ever seeing that dreaded red battery bar. Some of these cases even include smart indicators and wireless charging compatibility, so you stay powered in the smartest way possible. And for students, business users, and mobile gamers, it means never missing a beat even when you're away from the plug all day. Number 4. Creator kits. What if your phone was all you needed to make professional videos? The iPhone 17 is rumored to include upgraded front and rear cameras, better stabilization, and advanced AI-powered video tools. So why not complete the picture of the creator kit that includes a mini tripod, portable LED light, and external mic? With these tools, anyone can become a content creator in minutes. From vlogging in your room to shooting tutorials outdoors, creator kits help you unlock the full potential of the iPhone 17 camera system. And they're compact enough to toss in your backpack or purse. You don't need a film crew, just a phone and the right kit to tell your story. These kits also make your videos stand out online by improving clarity, lighting, and professionalism with just a few accessories. And as platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok continue to grow, your content can reach thousands, if not millions, when it looks sharp and sounds amazing. Number 3. Wireless microphones. What's a great video without great audio? Even the most beautiful visuals fall flat if your voice sounds muffled. Wireless microphones like the Rode Wireless Me or DJI mic connect seamlessly to iPhones and capture crisp, clean sound even in busy, loud environments. Imagine walking and talking without holding a mic. These tiny mics clip to your shirt and send audio directly to your iPhone via Bluetooth or USB-C. They're essential for interviews, content creators, podcasters, and even students recording lectures. They're also built to block wind and background noise, giving your voice center stage in every clip. And the best part? You can move freely, gesture naturally, and still sound like you're in a professional studio. Number 2. Gimbal stabilizer. What if you could shoot film-level video straight from your phone? With 8K video rumored and a larger sensor on the iPhone 17 Pro models, you'll want to keep your footage steady. A gimbal stabilizer like the DJI Osmo Mobile transforms shaky handheld video into buttery smooth masterpieces. Walk, run, turn, and your iPhone camera stays smooth as glass. These gadgets are especially useful for travel vloggers, action sports fans, or just everyday family videos. With the iPhone 17's video capabilities, a gimbal is not just a luxury, it's a must. Number 1. AI-powered photo editing accessories. What if your iPhone took amazing photos and edited them too? Yes, you heard that right. The next wave of tech gadgets includes AI-powered photo editing tools that connect to your iPhone. These accessories and apps can automatically adjust lighting, remove background clutter, sharpen details, and even reframe your photos for maximum impact. It's like having a pro editor in your pocket working in real time. Combined with the iPhone 17's rumored 48MP camera, new lenses, and smart AI sensors, these editing tools will let you create magazine-level images in seconds. Whether you're shooting for Instagram or just your own memories, this is where technology meets magic. Ready for the ultimate iPhone experience? Can you truly enjoy the iPhone 17 without these gadgets? You could, but you'd be missing out. These 10 must-have accessories are not just cool, they're practical. They enhance charging, boost protection, unleash creativity, and make your iPhone work smarter, not harder. And that's what the future of tech is all about: effortless excellence. When the iPhone 17 launches, be the person who's ready. Be the one with the gear that unlocks every exciting feature. Because the future is only fun when you're fully equipped to live it. So get that thumbs up if you found this list helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos, iPhone updates, and future gadget drops. See you next time.